throat, his larynx? No, his. Dang, just did that dark and lost class. Oh, yeah. That's what it is.
External ear. That's question number 1. Again, that's somebody open mouth up really wide for me. Where's the wooden probe?
There's one over there on the. Oh, no, there's not. I don't know.
There we go.
Okay, you've got a pin sticking right here. What is it?
This what?
Oh, gosh, what is it?
Trachea.
No, it's the hard palate.
I couldn't see.
Okay, if I go back behind it, what's this area back here? Oh, I need to get that thing open. Pull on that, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
All right.
Okay, now then, see it's a smooth area back here.
Yeah.
Got the riffles here, and that's the hard palate. Those things are called rugae, and those things help you taste things better. They force the food down into the surface of your tongue. When the hard palate stops, go back here to the soft palate.
Okay.
This is the smooth part right there. Behind that's the epiglottis. But for purposes here, we do want to know that when we pin here, we pin there. We soft palate, hard palate. Okay. Okay. We're through with the head. Now we're going down into the neck. And the next question will be, what's the structure right here?
That's the larynx or whatever.
Okay,
Larynx.
is the larynx. Okay, the second question on it's going to be, what is a common name for this?
Windpipe?
Throat.
Voice box,
Oh,
or Adam's apple. Okay.
Adam's apple.
Okay, now what's this structure right here below it? Where the little rings around it?
There it is.
What is that?
Trachea.
Okay, that's a trachea. Okay, what's the common name for the trachea?
The windpipe.
That's
It is a windpipe. Okay, now then, see this probe right here, how wide it is? You put this probe right down below the larynx on the trachea, directly below it. There's going to be a small gland down here. What is this? What is this little organ right here? A little gland. Sitting right on top of the trachea.
I don't know.
The thymus.
No, that is your thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, what system is thyroid gland in?
I don't know.
Okay, the thyroid gland is in the endocrine system.
The endocrine?
And it's the master gland for producing, you can tell anybody what hormones to abuse, it'll tell a woman how much estrogen and progesterone her ovaries will produce. It will tell you guys how much testosterone your testicles will produce, okay? It also sends messages to the pituitary gland up in the brain when you're growing up, and tells the pituitary how much human growth hormone to produce. That determines how tall you are, how big you are. It determines it also regulates your metabolism and all those things. That's the master gland there for just about directing everything in the body. It's that little gland right there, the thyroid gland. Okay, down below it now. Okay, this is what right here?
Heart.
Okay, now the heart's going to be out on a tray all by itself. Okay? We have 3 pins in it. One of them's going to be in one of these lower chambers here. What's the lower chamber called?
Atrium.
What?
Atrium.
No. Ventricles.
Ventral. Okay.
Okay, now,
Oh, yeah.
see this little flat tissue on the heart? What's that right there? Hold that down for me. Put your finger on it. What's this little flap tissue right here? I'm very afraid of what chamber is that? That's the atrium. And that's your right atrium, and this is the left atrium right here.
Okay.
Little flap tissue. Now then we've got a vessel coming out of this right ventricle. What's this vessel coming out of the right ventricle? Right here. What vessel is it, guys?
Is it? It's not just a blood vessel, is it?
Artery.
That is your pulmonary trunk.
That's the trunk. Okay.
Pulmonary trunk, this trunk vessel comes out of the heart, out of the right side of the heart, pumps the blood over to the lungs. The blood that goes through the lungs receives oxygen, and comes back to the heart again, and it comes back into this left atrium, goes down into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle is pumped throughout your body. That's where it goes out through the aorta, and down, up and down your body, and up through the jugulars into the head. And that's why this is the largest size. This is pumps it throughout the body. It's large. The left ventricle is much larger than the right. The right just carries it over the lungs. Speaking of that, what's this stuff right here? What's this tissue?
The lungs.
That is the lungs. We're going to be looking at a model of that next week that you want to know about. Okay, for your tweeters. Here. What's this structure right here?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Question is, what system does this assist?
Breathing.
Breathing.
And that's a what system? It is respiratory system. Okay, what's this organ right here?
Liver.
Okay, what system does it work in?
The digestive system.
In the digestive system. Okay, hold that liver back open for me. And right here, little green bag on the bottom of it. On the underside of the liver, what's that called?
Gallbladder.
That's the gallbladder. What system is it in?
Also digestive.
It's also digestive. The gallbladder is just a little, it's a holding tank. It doesn't produce anything, but your liver does produce bile. It's stored in the gallbladder. When you eat a big juicy piece or something very fat, sometimes your stomach kind of gurgling afterwards. What that is, it's the gallbladder releasing bile into your small intestine to start breaking that fat up. That's what bile does. That's its job. So, okay, now we're going to move on down and look under the liver, further under the liver. Pull the organ out here. What's this organ here?
Stomach.
It is the stomach. What does stomach empty into?
The
What?
intestines.
What?
The intestines.
It does. Which one?
Small
And what
Small
part of it?
intestines.
Okay, which intestine? Which intestine and what part of it?
on into the small intestine.
Okay. Look right here. You see this little tube right here coming to the stomach?
Mm-hmm.
That's emptying into the small intestines there. And that part of the intestine is called what? That's the duodenum. Okay? Now, next question is going to be on that same duodenum. It's going to say, what happens here? And your answer is going to be?
That's where food goes from the stomach to the intestine.
Well, that's where 99% of your digestion takes place. It's right here, this little tube. You can see about 1 inch of it right here, but it's actually about probably 8 to 10 inches long. It cools on down in here to this other stuff here. What's all this stuff I'm holding right here? What am I holding right here in my hand? This stuff. What is that?
That's all small intestines.
Yeah.
Is that all small intestines?
That's all small intestines. They are on the right side of the pig. What's this over here?
Large intestine.
And it's on the what side?
Left side.
On the left side. Left for large. Both of them start with L. Okay? Okay, now then, one other little organ we hadn't looked at down here. Okay, what's this organ right here?
Is that the pancreas? Or
Nope.
spleen?
That's the spleen, and what system is it in? Just watch the movie on it. I said watch it.
Oh, digestive.
No.
No, that was other class.
This is in the immune system. This filters the blood and gets out all the dead bacteria, dead viruses, stuff that your immune system kills.
Okay.
It also gets rid of red blood cells, which die about